Here I have FairPhone 3, and today I'm going to show you how to access developer options on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the About Phone section, scroll down to the bottom and select find the last line build number and tap on it with your finger several times until you get the message you are now a developer. And now you can find all of these developer options in the system section, advanced, and here they are. And from here you can, for example, get to know with them, or you can disable them and they will disappear from the settings list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.